These figures will make our vertex and the brush scribble the size of our x-axis, and we can't even whatever like we can't even breathe like that we will become. We will feel so tight our vertex area, our sum of vertex and the brush area. We can't even breathe like that. These figures will be playing blotting here. So always apply crayolas on my legs, on my hands, on my now right side of my face. Started applying laser crayon laser on my right side of my face. And this will be playing loading carbon dioxide. That is. book means inside this flat one or two with some other lady not divide Panikar. This is the drama these winners are creating. And I am the one, divide Panikar is the one who is here. In my flat one or two, I take the rent and I have all the evidence and this is one or two, I am divide Panikar. India country really. We can't have anything, like if we have food one time, we will become civil defense. So people, all people are like that. My goodness, then we can't have actually. God created us like that, or what? If we have one time food, we will become civil defense. Then what the people can't even, like move like that actually. So if we have food, then we can't wear the dress of yesterday's dress. My goodness, what a logic all these baskets are creating, I can actually understand. What logic these criminals are having, I can't understand actually. If we have food, I'm having just one time food.